Government Kokomi meeting underway to end face-off. Manpack lashes out at Amit Shah over CAB remarks. And suspected militants attack Assam rifle camp in Chandel. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESIA, giving you the news in details. A meeting is underway between the representatives of Manipur government and Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi at the CM Secretariat Imphal, official sources inform. The meeting comes after Chief Minister N. Biren Singh invited Kokomi for talks. The meeting is understood to have discussed the ongoing movement vis-a-vis final Naga political settlement apart from the Kokomi goal for boycotting the upcoming state-organized annual Sangai Festival, a tourism event which begins on November 24. Kokomi is taking a stand to boycott the festival, citing the critical situation facing the state. The official sources further informed that the meeting with Kokomi started at 4:30 p.m. The outcome of the meeting is uncertain given the current situation. The Manipur government has been urging Kokomi to withdraw the Sangai Festival boycott decision. It is believed that the government is making all-out effort to end the face-off. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi has been spearheading a mass movement demanding that Manipur's boundary and integrity should not be disrupted by the Naga peace deal. It may be recalled that earlier the state government had invited Kokomi for talks, which was flatly declined by the latter. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 Manpack today condemned the statement of Union Home Minister Amit Shah given in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, saying that NRC National Register of Citizens will be implemented across the country is an immature remark. Manpack coordinator Yumnamcha Dilipkumar said the plan for implementation of NRC before solving the issue of CAB in the Northeast state shows the negligence of the center towards the plight of the people. Speaking to media person at AM's office located at Kwakital, Imphal West, Yumnamcha Dilipkumar said the decision to implement NRC at this crucial stage is unacceptable. He also expressed that if NRC is implemented, the base year for Manipur should be made 1951 and that it should not be made equal with other states in the country. He went on to say that today people of Manipur under the aegis of Manpack are vehemently opposing implementation of CAB. He pledged that the protest movement against CAB across the Northeast will be intensified.
Aibo oina formal oina ngasi phawda government gi side gi Manpack ka phamina si haiduna invite tawrkiba leitri aduna maram oiduna government ga khoi ga phamina dabani aduga karigumba matang matam sana phamina si hairaba aduga masi warosin poraknabagi damakta masi khanane si hairagadi Manpack ki maigedagi taramna wokani aikoina consolidation kano ma phase ama sangsalakpasida asigi consolidation phase asida mafam kaya da nainami pham kaya pangthokadoribasida mapung oina saru yabiu masibu mapung phan biu aduga CAB asigi mayokta matam chupada leminasi amsung India government gi yamna kanglum naiba thausil ase masi maithiba piminna si haiba appeal asima miyamda tawjari.
Jailarung Union, Assam Manipur Nagaland President Amukame during the press meet stressed that the efforts of Manpack to protect the indigenous people of the state goes unrecognized by the state government. He urged that every MLA cutting across party lines should stand firm against the adverse impact of CAB.
Citizenship Amendment Bill ase lakpa matamda su udaba ta su tadaba singda ayamba leiri ba makai gisu tamda leiba adigi phajana lawai thawai da pau phajana khangdaba ase su future gi oina phajana udaba kayamuk su leitaba natte miyam dugi muhutta asi khara akhangba mayam sina future se soigadori masi soigadori ba se khoi kandaba yade haina leader miyam ase men pek ki oina leiriba convener ko convener leiriba asigi miyam asina north east ki oina hojikti amato oina sagat khare laibak phaba amana mak akhoi si yamna unitedly asi citizenship amendment bill se chathaba tardi north east asidi akhoi sidi pura future lai tere haibigi wakhallon da amato oina akhoi se lan sangminar bani
government thokkiba circulation amagi matungina miyamgi oiba iho democratic protest haibase constitutionally sanction toba adugumba democracy leiba democracy gi leibak tadi maru oina aikoida miyam na protest toba je part of the democratic system ni adubu democracy chali beleba amra democratically aikoina khongjang changchen ma matam da madura saruk yari ba support toriba dukan sing nataga madura thonglon giba dukan sing da madura akoi any kind of punishment or penalty tawgani hadina hoji akoi na paw ma phangli ba se circulation ma torok ni ba se masiyam thuna lengang na handok piu natrabadi he na chawba tasengnamak miyam gi damta no ma kathok iba miyam sing asito amuka he na victimize tawna bo honarak labadi men pek na madu tumin lai thokloi hadina admaina thamjaki.
Unidentified heavily armed men suspected to be militants reportedly launched an attack on the camp of 19 Assam rifles located at Shalon village of Chandel district in the wee hours today. According to a reliable source received by TOMTV, the attackers used explosives and other sophisticated weapons in the attack. The Assam rifles retaliated the attack, ensuing a heavy exchange of fire between the two sides, which lasted for nearly half an hour. The sources said no casualties were reported. Details are awaited. Meanwhile, a combined team of Imphal East Commando and 26 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of the proscribed UNLF during counter-insurgency operation at Thambalnu Market in Yairipok last afternoon, a police report said today. He has been identified as Naurim Robindro Singh, aged 32 years, a resident of Yairipok Top Jingtha, Khongbam, Leirak. Upon interrogation, it was learned that the cadre joined UNLF in the year 2015-2016 through one Rajan of the outfit. He was later handed over to Andro Police Station for further legal action. Ahead of Sangai Festival, the Manipur police this morning carried out a massive house-to-house search operation at Imphal East Mahabali Kabuikul. The Imphal East Commando, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police, Operation T.H. Krishnatombi search rented houses at Mahabali Kabuikul, during which 250 residents were verified. However, no one was picked up. On the other hand, an Imphal West police team under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operation Amarjit Lamabam also conducted cordon and search operation in and around Polo Ground and Alugali in Imphal City early this morning. One person who failed to produce ID proof was picked up and later handed over to City Police Station for further verification. In the meantime, a team of Bishnupur District Police Commando under the command of Additional Superintendent of Police Operation Bishnupur District Police conducted cordon and search operation at Kaibul Lamjau, Mathak Mayum Leirak, Bamun Leirak and Haiga Leirak in the district early this morning. The cops picked up 6 persons, including one cadre, each of the proscribed Piripak and UNLF, who are currently on bail, a report said. They were handed over to Kaibul Police Station for further verification. Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on 6 Palel area-based social organizations hold alert protest at Palel Market Complex.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak laizare makhal makha kyagi sound lights teas amadi tent house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari akopa marol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises kiamgai khoirom laikai near Youth Social Club contact number 8837218002.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge, 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires, free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting, 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
Welcome back after the break. 6 Palel area-based social organizations today held an alert protest at Palel Market Complex. The demonstration was organized against the potential threat to the integrity of Manipur from the outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talk. Today's alert protest was organized under the aegis of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI. All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO, President and COCOMI Assistant Coordinator PH Nando Luang, during the demonstration told media that the public are well aware of the fact that the long-pending Naga peace talks wrap up behind closed door on October 31st. He said it is crystal clear that the final content of the peace talks has a potential threat to the interests of Manipur. Nando said the government of India should respect the interests of the state and the ongoing movement.
Yagi upon Belingaka, India, Toxilamatu, the disrupt of the Hijabanati, Aduna Yam Jena and Wena, Yam Democracy, Win Manipurimiam, Holy Bay, say, Comel of India, Masita, honor of Pomtree. Madura Tragadi, Manipurimiam, so Equi Carino, Carinungi, India, the Yorbono, India, the Orgasina, and then some Awabata, Ravi, or Pomasilaga, Karimba, Mau, Madame Kong, Kadrai, Sisu, Comel of India, Masi, Cantabio, which I'm going to Kali. 49 tin matam da Manipur sa maning tamba ya manunga ya problem da mamoy tin kibani tin kiba matam da ngang na kiba sang na kiba ya na kiba wapam sing ado ade Manipur na go India da tin matam da khan kiba asa sing do madu go melo India na madu honor to bom throi maram da Manipur miam ki khungjang ase masi ningthi na honor to ga koi Manipur di interest so ba thabam da go melo India na to bidna ba simbi ha ba wapam si thungi.
A 4-year-old girl who accidentally fell into Imphal River is feared drowned. The incident happened at Kairang Maning Laikai under Haingang Police Station of Imphal East on the evening of November 17. She is still traceless since the incident. The girl has been identified as Tej Laxmi Morangthem, daughter of Doren Morangthem of Kurai Larikengbam Laikai, Imphal East. It is learned that on November 17 last, the girl was left by her parents at the maternal house of her mother at Kairang Maning Lake. The tragic incident occurred when she, along with some of her friends, went out for playing. Her friends later informed the elders that Tej Laxmi fell into the Imphal River. Later that day, the residents launched a frantic search for the girl. Meanwhile, a combined team of National Disaster Response Force and DRF, State Disaster Response Force SDRF, Manipur Police, Fire Service backed by volunteers of Popular United Club, Kairang are still continuing search for the 4-year-old girl.
Kari haigani aigidi sarkar ge side dagi khara kanjan ba haigadra kitang section na TV na bagi phangna bagi hona basi kitang mating de pam
akoi na boin hona biji mathak sidagi amukamu makata ahen ba force thada biro na koi na su club ki side haigri ma koi na su thada ken hai yam nungai te sumba angang pi ba ma nui manga chu na phangdab je nungai te yam mase mayam punna thimina je na koi ji khopta na there ati kana gumna koi lambi da kariga toren kumda angang sina torpo khopa lerga di maile na ba police station da ni kangde ini ama da pau pi biro haina ai club sigi mau chilaga personal mo ina mayam da nunglun hajari.
Even after completion of 5 days, spending almost 13 to 14 hours in a day and night, they are still not able to trace out or face out the body of the baby girl. And now they drew the attention of the authorities concerned so that the body of the baby girl can be faced out at the earliest so that they could perform the rituals and sort of things that is necessary to be performed according to the culture and the rituals of the communities. With camera person Henry, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News, Kairang Maning Laikai.
A discussion program on various activities of Jananeta Hizam Irabot in Kasar was held today at Silchar Ramnagar Tuko of Assam. President of Jananeta Hizam Irabot Simrit Raksha Committee, Okram Churamani, Sahitya Academy awardee Dr. Arambam Memchobi, Professor Nahakpam Aruna, along with President of Assam Manipuri Progressive Front, Il Techmani attended the event. The occasion, Dr. Arambam Memchobi said that every household in the region still reflects on the life and activities of pioneer Hizam Iraput. She added that Ramnagar Tuko is one such place, which is a part and parcel of Irabot's life. The program was also attended by social worker Maimom Santi Kumar, social activists of Silchar intellectuals and followers of Hizam Iraput. All Loktak Lake Area's Fishermen Union, Manipur, Alafum observed World Fisheries Day 2019 come 8th commemoration day of Manipur Loktak Phumsang Arsan at Langol Sabi Laikai, Jampu Khangpok Floating Village, Loktak today. Secretary of Alafum, O Rajan, and Executive Director of Indigenous Perspective IP, Ramananda Wang Khairakpam attended the event. A 2-minute silence was observed during the program to remember the incident of burning down of 777 Phumsang's floating huts in Loktak Lake from November 15 to 23rd of 2011 by Loktak Development Authority. The program also discussed to find out ways and means to preserve migratory birds coming to the lake while appealing to the fishermen to refrain from using LED bulbs while fishing in the lake from December 1st next. District Health Society Jiribam organized a one-day district-level healthy mother and baby show competition under National Health Mission at PWD Guest House Hall today. District Commissioner of Jiribam, Mayang Lambam Rajkumar, Dr. N. Saroja Devi, Dr. K.H. Dizen Maitai, and Dr. Mukesh Singh attended the event. The competition was held in 3 categories from 6 to 11 months, 12 to 24 months, and 24 to 36 months. Moreh Drivers Union Moreh Imphal repaired Lok Chau Bridge along Imphal Moreh Road, which is one of the most important bridges of the national highway connecting Manipur. The union took up the initiative considering the pathetic condition of the wooden bridge, which poses a serious threat to the travelers. The union started to repair the work on Wednesday around 6 p.m. and successfully completed it around 6 this morning.
Moreh Driver Union na haibiramba tang matung in 26 p.m. to 21 a.m. Pawada thongji phajana ahoina manage tawge hairambadu ngasidi pangthoe aduna mi mayam je nungaina chatpiba yarani haibagi phongdokpa tawjari.
Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nang natamibi school IPS have to yam chexi lifai hai nei kam do gine.
My school is a quality-based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches the student in higher classes.
Hey ma, isa di IPS ki boarding the lerup dagi English ki command so phajana le re, lyrics you am hai re, personality talent so phajana le re na.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom gi angang singbo Kanchipur da leba IPS haibad Imphal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbio loinan afaba bahiroi oyanbiu.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact tobiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok
Yang ware.
Soktabadu loidi.
Wabdu koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back after the break. BJP Thanga Mandal today held a condolence meeting of late former Minister Salam Ibohol at Kairen Phabi in Bishnupur district. Thanga constituency MLA and PTA Chairman T. Robindro Singh, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Nimbus, President of BJP Bishnupur District Committee R.K. Bimola Devi, President of BJP Thanga Mandal L. Soba were present at the occasion. Floral tributes were paid to the photograph of the late leader and a 1-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to the departed soul. MLA T. Robindro recalled Salam Ibohol as a leader who worked for his people without biasness. He maintained that his loss is irreplaceable. District Legal Services Authority Thawal, under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority today, organized a one-day legal literacy program quiz competition at Martin Grammar School, Kakching. Judge of Family Court Thawal, Salam Ibomcha, Headmaster of Martin Grammar School, Kakching, Marangthem Manihar, and Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Thawal Asem Tarun Kumar attended the program. Advocate Nongmaithem and Advocate M.D. Jakir Hussain spoke during the program as resource person. They talk on child-friendly legal services for children and their protection and also talk on solid waste management rules 2016. Later, a quiz competition was held and prizes were distributed to the winners. The Kuki Women Union and Human Rights Moray today celebrated its silver jubilee at the campus of Hill Tribal Council HTC Moray. At the occasion, Chandel ADC member Chiniva Haukip unveiled a memorial stone of the silver jubilee. Addressing the gathering, Chiniva Haukip recalled that Kuki Women Union and Human Rights Moray was floated in 1994 at the height of the Kuki Naga ethnic conflict. The situation had demanded a women's union to safeguard the rights of the people in Moray town. She further recalled. During the 25th anniversary observance, a souvenir was also released by President of Hill Tribal Council, Moray, and functional President of the event, Ginkosei Lungdim. President of Kuki Students Organization KSO Moray Block, Ting Thang Haukip, President of Moray Youth Club, Huzwalala, Reverend Ngam Hau Tautang, Chairman Moray Pastor Fellowship, S.H. Jamkolen Mate, Chairman of Kuki Chief Association Moray Block attended the program. Mementos and gifts were also presented to HTC leaders and former president, secretaries and central executive members at the occasion.
Kalungmiin sangkat zakko somko leni kumapat tunitan gay tilsu let nakitong let tilki bol hotso kageri nahi let kalunga helin punzong kalung hel mabain 2004 apat 2017 janso president katu ahin ahin 2004 masanga 94 jan azong so panmun lien kana tu lo banga so athu hi atina ta ahin la ke hin a hepiene kizong le kizolo ti ahin.
Research Forum Manipur Reform celebrated its 13th Foundation Day at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound in Imphal today. Chairperson of Manipur State Minority Commission Anwar Hussain, President of Reform Mangshatabam Lokendra, social activist Filson Y. Lunghar, and Director of Mutwa Museum Mutwa Bahadur attended the celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Mangshatabam Lokendra said reform was founded with the principal objective to promote the age-old tradition and culture of Manipur. He urged one and all to extend support to reform in preserving and promoting the cultural heritage of Manipur.
Adubu laibak thibadi mafam duda aeroplane gi tabagi radar kari kara hapchalak duna akhoi gi man tai di ta tasalak haibadi akhoi gi historical we pose mang bagi film irak lakba aduna masi kalowa haibasi su yamna mathok tai masida mari lenebo authority sina maskomda khitang toragadi masi historical side se kan ba haibase akhoi gi pamjabani aduga leipak myang su masina yamna kanabu bagini.
In connection with the suspicious death of one Okram Ningo Leishangthem Ongbi Bidyarani, Devi Leishangthem Wangwatabo of Thoubal District, on the intervening night of November 18 and 19, the Joint Action Committee JESIA against the suspicious death of Okram Ningo Leishangthem Ongbi Bidyarani Devi, aged 23 years of Thoubal Ningombam, is organizing a public meeting at Ningombam Sanakaitel on 23rd of this month. This was informed in the press release from the JESIA. The release cited that doctors and the district hospital, Thoubal, said that their housewife was brought dead at the hospital on the intervening night of November 18 and 19. The JESIA suspects foul play in her death. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will be in Kolkata to watch the first day night test match between India and Bangladesh to be played in Eden Garden from Friday to Tuesday. The PM is expected to reach Kolkata tomorrow morning. She will be joined by several dignitaries, including her Indian counterpart Narendra Modi. A special flight of Biman Bangladesh Airlines carrying Hasina and a delegate of the Bangladesh government will depart from Dhaka at 10 a.m. and reach Kolkata at 10:25 a.m. tomorrow. After watching the first session of play, the Prime Minister will attend a felicitation program to be held near Eden Gardens. Now we have the sports news. India's Manu Vakar and Ilavanil Bolarivan won gold medals in their respective events to make it a memorable day for Indian suitors in the ISSF World Cup finals at Putian, China today. According to media reports, Manu fired her way to the goal with the junior world records in the women 10-meter air pistol event, while Ilavanil claimed the top honors in the women's 10-meter air rifle competition. In the men's 10-meter air pistol event, Abhishek Burma and Shaurav Chowdhury qualified for the final but could not claim medals. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Government Kokomi meeting underway to end face-off. Manpack lashes out at Amit Shah over cap remarks. And suspected militants attack Assam rifle camp in Chandel. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.